Hello guys, I'm gonna play Slime Rancher 2. Okay,
Please one.
continue? Yes. Okay. It's loading. Um, okay. It's still a little bit more laggy, yeah. But still, you can play the game, you know. I have one pink block, not blinker, but slime. Put it in the corral. Okay. Now, we're exploring? Yeah, we're exploring. That has no internet, I think. That says. It's over here. Okay. Rainbow Fields. Well, there is one little slime and 2, 3, 4. There's much slimes. Everything looks different from the first. Collect these. From the tree.
Oh,
Pogo fruits there. And carrots. Look at the carrots. Look, if I suck the grass, look what they do. Okay. What's this? Nothing. Oh, look at it. There's bunnies. Go look at them. Where are they? Come here. I want to collect you. Bunny. Okay. One more. There's even more that I'm collect. Okay. And the last one. Think. Yeah. Let's go this way. Yeah. There's a rooster. There's meat. Go past here. Oh, there it says danger zone. Means I'm not going to go there. But then there's a little pink slime. And up here, just nothing. Jump down. Okay, can I make this jump? With the little piece of lag? I can't collect the water because I don't have the upgrade. I think. Okay, what's over here? Look at the water. So nice. You know, I just found this. X? Press X to open. Yeah? Pressing X. Okay, make a jump. Don't know because look at my leg. Pretty bad. And I'm not going to risk it. Yeah. And now, going home. There's my home over there. What? Okay, made it. Go up here. It's a little bit lagged. Okay. I'll be here to my base. It's right here. Tasty food acquired. Select rank to shoot. Yeah, I know that. How to shoot, I know. And another one just lying around, you know. Then I'm going to collect. Yeah, okay. Now. Shoot. Waited. Report. I can't collect it. How of this? How of that? And I'm going to collect this. Little poops. You acquired a slime plot. Okay, I know that. Okay, now the plot market again. Get that many dollars? Look at this big tree. The middle. Oh, look how many plots. Spots I have. To build corrals and all of that. Yeah. I'm gonna build right here a garden. Collect the carrots. And go to the slime. One slime. And I'm gonna put more in. One more in. And now, fire. Okay, eat those. Okay. And yep, collect all of the plots. Yeah. Now go sell at the plot market. Yeah. Look at how many slimes there. What is this slime? And what is this? This, you see? I don't know. There's the honey, I think. And the fire. There's a puddle. And this is, I don't know. Look how many of these there are more. Maybe undiscovered. Okay. I'm gonna sleep until night. This time. Till night. Okay, there is going to be night. You happy? Yeah. You're going to be happier in a moment. Just yeah. You did that chicken. Look. As plot. Yeah. Oop. Okay. They'll leave you guys right here. Ah, okay. Like drawing a house, you know. Okay. Going to sell my clothes. Look at this. What's this down there? Good at it? No, okay. Even. Okay. Oh, I know this area. This the fabricator area. Yeah. I know this. Oh, you can build yourself some. You need new books and boards, cotton boards, boom boards. Okay. Gonna go back up. Because I want to sell these plots that I have. Okay then. The dark. There's stars and all those. Oh, look at the coral. It's so pretty. You see it? It's glowing. Wow. Like rainbow colors. What the colors? Man, I can kill the chicken. Going back to the this is yeah. $996. This is going to take a while. No. Making shooting vac tanks. Oh. It's learning. Now, what to do next? You can sleep till the day or night. I picked it for to be a night. What? Oh, yeah. But this is going to take a while. For 6 hours I can sleep. And sleep till morning. Okay. And now go collect the fruit that the carrots. Yeah, carrots. Okay. Now go feed it. Feed the slimes. Oh, cutie slimies. Okay, shoot it. Shoot him. Shoot him. Yeah. Okay, collect it gently. Boop. Boop. Yeah. Yeah. Boop. 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 On it, stay now. And now I'm going to sell my plots for dollars to make a corral for my bunnies. And I don't have enough because a corral costs check. But I need to build it. Where's my buddy over here? What do you see? Okay, maybe in the next episode I'm going to do that. And I hope there's not going to be lag. Thank you for watching and bye.